Welcome back. We are kicking tires again today at Miller RV in Spanish Fork, Utah. Check out the link below for all the information. And we are looking at a trailer that is everything you need under $20,000. Way too often we all get, well, I shouldn't say we all. I get stuck on the fancier, bigger, those fifth wheels, the beacons, the mobile suites, all those things, the giant toy haulers. But that's not what everybody needs. We're checking out this Puma 16QBX. And it's a kind of a smaller unit, but it literally has everything you need. So let's walk around the outside, then get to the inside. Right off, I'm really impressed. The front jack is electric. And I don't know about you guys, I get sick of cranking on that jack, trying to get it up and down, all that. It's just a pain. So to have this electric jack right up front is super nice. You have one bottle of propane. And on a smaller unit like this, I would like to have two bottles, but one bottle's fine. It keeps the weight down. And your batteries go right up here. You can throw in one Lion Energy lithium battery, run the whole trailer. Click on the link below for batteries. A very unique thing on a unit this size and price, scissor jacks up front. So you're getting stabilizers all the way around, not just some jacks that you have to keep up in your storage bay and come put out and all that sort of stuff. Built in scissor jacks. Coming around the driver's side, we have our weights. The gross vehicle weight rating for this trailer is 1,760 pounds. That is pretty dang light. The payload capacity is 781 pounds. With a trailer this size, most SUVs will be able to tow it, half-ton trucks, probably even some of the smaller trucks. I don't know the weight limits on like an S10 or a Tacoma or those sort of things, or a Jeep. It has to be pretty dang close. Down here, we have Castle Rock ST tires. I have never heard of Castle Rock tires, but the size is a 205/17 R14. So you got a 14-inch wheel. I bet you could change that out and put a 15-inch on, which I kind of prefer. With this trailer, you're only getting one axle, but it's a pretty small trailer. I kind of prefer two axles, but on a unit this small, I understand why it's just one axle. Back here, we have all of our components. We have a shower here, your city water connection. Right over here, you have your water tanks. 30 amp connection right here. And all of your sewer outlet, all that sort of stuff. Nice that it's all in one place instead of having a gray valve over here and a black valve over here. All nice and easy. And I kind of like that they aren't electronic. If they mess up, it's easier to fix them. And I just trust them a little bit more. No frills on the backside. Got our spare tire, cable satellite dish hookup, and pre-wired for a backup camera, so you could throw on your Halo View backup camera, those sort of things. Scissor jacks on the back as well. And coming around on this side, full awning. This awning looks to be, I don't know, it's probably 12 to 14 feet. It's nice on a unit at this price point to have this large awning on it. That's enough of the exterior though. Let's go in and see how they fit so much in such a small package.
Well, come on into this Puma Light. So coloring in this space, you can tell, nice bright white. The gray as well. Really nice kind of textures throughout this unit. Nice color schemes, patterns. It's actually a really nice little unit. So since first walking into this unit, I got a little worried. You're gonna be missing things. You're gonna be out of space, not a lot of storage. But on first sight, got everything. Sink, range, fridge, microwave, bathroom, bed, table. What more could you ask for? So let's break down this space. You've got your overhead for dishes and whatnot. You also have a little under cabinetry. You got some drawer space for utensils. This is your main gray, fresh, and galley water control panel right there, easy access. Like I mentioned, you got your microwave, which is just a microwave, it looks like. You've got your little 2-burner, one for a bigger pot, one for a smaller pot, so you get yourself covered there. So moving over, you've got your really nice sized fridge, It is a Dometic brand. Really great space. Over to our Dinette booth. Nice little space if you needed one little sleeping bed here. Ample space for your dinner, your board games, whatever they may be. And you've got your overhead cabinetry as well as your sound system. Behind me here, you've got kind of your TV docking station. Get your TV bracket right up here. Nice spot to lay in bed and watch TV. So one drawback I am seeing to the Dinette booth is you do have to remove all your cushions to get to your under storage. There's not any cabinetry on the front. So one thing about this kitchen area, no oven. But you know what? We in our trailer have made do with our grill, our Traeger, whatever else, and we don't need the oven. We've got a, looks like a RV queen here. Gives you lots of space. Actually a little room to be able to actually get in. Nightstands on the sides, little closet space here. Overhead space as well. And I believe there should be access to our storage bin. Oh, nope. So this would be your under storage, but you also have this huge space here, which is really nice. All right, now let's check out this bathroom. At first sight, it's nice that it's got a wood door, not a sliding door. That's a nice feature. The shower looks a little cozy. Jesse may have to do the shower test for you. So Jesse is doing our shower test.
With the skylight right here, I have enough room, but if I step over here, it's pretty cozy. I'm 5'10", so just give you a little perspective. They must have storage or whatever, or tanks or whatever underneath the shower, because it's lifted up quite a ways in this pan. What do you expect in a 16-foot unit? There's no jetted tub, there's no, you know, rain shower head. It's a 16-foot trailer.
So the toilet in this unit is not a porcelain, however, it is a plastic, but it's got nice little space for your legs. Also in this bathroom, there is lots of space, width-wise as well. There's nice space here, your countertops, got your sink over top, cabinetry underneath. If you're sitting somewhere for a while, you've got lots of space to just leave things out. Bottom line, this trailer is everything you need for under $20,000. Thank you for catching us this week on Junk Junkies. We appreciate the viewership. Just want to remember to like and subscribe. And as always, enjoy your weekend.
Really nice big front window right by the bed. It's just a great little feature there. It makes the trailer feel so much more open and larger than it is.